Hi guys, so how you all doing today? So guys, with the way NHS are going, let's talk about NHS because they are trending now. Because I don't understand what is wrong with this UK. Very soon everybody will get tired of UK and will leave. Yes, because I think it's coming too much. NHS this, NHS that. Anyways, today's video is sponsored by FitVille. I'm going to be reviewing their trainers to you guys and for you guys to check them out before we talk about this NHS palaver. So if you're looking for nice trainers, comfortable trainers, go check out FitVille. I'm going to leave the link on the description below. And again, use my code SN30 for 30% discount. Yes, you heard me right. Their shoes are nice. You can see how I tried this one. You can see this one on the screen. Their trainers are lovely, to be honest. So I feel like this is my favorite trainer, to be honest. I don't know, for some reason there's not too much things. I just like this one. It's comfortable. I don't even know the word to use, but I think this is my favorite. It's so simple and I love the colored part that is gray. Honestly, I so much love this one. This is my favorite. Go check them out if you like these trainers. When I saw these trainers, I feel like they are better real life than how it looks on the website. On the website, looking, I don't know how it looks like, but I feel like when I saw it, I was like, wow, it's better real life. Because sometimes when you're buying shoes or clothes, website you see it's beautiful, nice, and when you get the clothes or whatever you purchase, you be like, but it's looking different. But with this one, me personally, I think it look better real life. So go and check them out. And if you want this one, like I said, I'm going to leave the link on the description below. And the next one, they sent me 4 pairs of shoes. I have to remove all the things inside because I don't want dirty everywhere, so I just remove everything. And this is the black one. They've got different color, so if you want something like pinkish, girlish, if you check on their website, you're going to see a lot. You choose from whichever one you want. You're going to see even sandals. In fact, click on that link on the description below and check them out. And the next one is this one. For those of you that don't like rope. Some of us find it difficult to tie the rope. With this one, it has a, what's it called? There's no rope. So you don't have to start buttoning. You don't have to start tying rope. All you need to do is to adjust it and fit it to your size. I so much love this one too because I don't really have something like this. I don't really have anything like this, to be honest. So I think I like this one too. This one is something I like. With the black, I like it too because black goes with everything. So yeah, that's why I picked this black. And with this one, I love it because I don't have something like this, so I wanted something different from my trainers. Like, I've got so many trainers. And for the men, if you're a man watching me, you're not left out though. You can also get nice, fancy work boot that even when you wear it without even telling people it's work boot, they won't even know it's a work boot. It's really nice. So these are for men. These are for men. If you also need the trainers, you can check them out. I said it before and I'll say it again. Their trainers are better real life than what you see on website. It's so nice. I was so impressed when I saw this, honestly. And it's kind of padded inside, so you'll be so comfortable. I love their trainers, to be honest. I can't even complain. They've got nice trainers. I so much love these trainers. I'm not even gonna lie, and I'm going to definitely recommend it. So if you're interested in these trainers, click on the link, use the code SN30 for 30% discount. So guys, now let's talk about this NHS to stop recruiting from agency. Is it possible? For me personally, I don't think it's possible because there's no way NHS will stop recruiting from from agency. If you go to the hospital, they are always on the staff. So I don't understand how they will stop recruiting from agency because I think somehow they will depend on this agency. So many persons are resigning because of the pay. Although they've decided that they will increase the pay, with all this increase in that one, everything's all going on immigrants, isn't it? They will use us, the immigrants, to make money. That's the main plan. But before they use us to make this money, I don't think that people will be coming in next year. That's my thought though. So if you're watching this video, do you think people will still come in to the UK next year with all of this increase in that one, increase in this one? Like I said, they're using us to make money. Do you think they will still, make this money? Like he mentioned that they will raise up to £6 billion. I was like, you have already calculated how much you guys are going to make from us, UK government, if you want to finish us. So if you're watching this video, what do you think about UK imposing all these new rules? Just leave it on the comment section. Share with me your thoughts on all of that.